You gotta get in the shot, 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 you gotta get in the shot. Yo, what's up? Where are we? I don't even know where we are. Explain us.
We're in Vaudreuil. We're at the, it says McKibben's, but it's this whole parking area behind McKibben's.
And what are we doing?
It's called Savage, what is it, Savage Night. So a lot of local car groups, a lot of people from all around the area.
Cool.
Big meetup.
So we brought our cars, show off a little bit. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, so it's a pretty big parking lot. We're doing a big tour around the place. We're gonna try to catch all the cars on here before it gets too dark, because last night I ran out of light. That's not cool. Let's see what we can get. We're gonna go start at the far end, I guess. And cars keep piling in every minute, so let's just roll with it.
Yo, Tim, is that what I think it is over there? Blue S13?
Yeah.
That's gotta be it. That's the one that Tim went with Jay to Quebec City for. That's the one they got fixed up.
There she is. Look at that.
Like, what a full interior.
Still got the same feel over there.
Imagine I did that with my daily Corolla.
You should.
No, I honestly. Let me see.
See, this one makes me want to keep my 240.
Simon's 180?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Well, yeah, I put it in the wall. You're in all my shots.
Sorry.
Okay.
If I find my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? Don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Don't you still amaze me? If I find my way home, yeah. If I find my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? Don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Don't you still amaze me? If I find my way home, yeah.
This is the moment for those who.
Okay, sorry. I think we got everything. Not sure. Walked around a bit. There's probably more stuff coming in all the time, but I'm losing light. And
There's more people coming, but got the good footage before the sun goes down. Now slow, more people are gonna trickle in a bit at a time.
I think I'm gonna close this out here. So if you haven't been here, be here. See you next time.